40 English questions are waiting. Test your skills and prove yourself. Let's start. Find the closest synonym of burn. Answer B, ignite. Which is a synonym of deep? Answer A, profound. What does come to terms with mean? Answer B, accept. What does "you can say that again" mean? Answer D, strongly agree. Choose the antonym of ancient. Answer A, modern. What is the antonym of forage? Answer C, store. Choose the antonym of meld. Answer A, separate. Choose the correct plural of crossroads. Answer D, crossroads. What is the plural form of child? Answer A, children. Choose the correct plural of deer. Answer B, deer. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer C, she is too tired to continue working. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C, the progress of the project was carefully monitored. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A, who will lead the new project team? What is the past form of rive? Answer D, rived. Choose the past tense of blow. Answer B, blue. Choose the correct spelling. Answer A, component. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B, liquidate. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D, extremely. Identify the correct spelling. Answer B, duplicate. Which is a synonym of pair? Answer C, couple. Pick a synonym of cup. Answer A, mug. Choose a synonym of force. Answer D, power. What does "have the last laugh" mean? Answer B. Win last. What does smooth things over mean? Answer A. Make peace. What does stand corrected mean? Answer B. Admit a mistake. Choose the antonym of rigid. Answer D. Flexible. Opposite of immature. Answer B. Mature. Choose the correct plural of accuracy. Answer A. Accuracies. What is the plural form of aircraft? Answer D. Aircraft. Choose the correct plural of sheep. Answer A. Sheep. Fill the gap. Answer C. I would help you if you were more polite. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. He can't have done it on purpose. Fill the gap. Answer B. The news left me completely shocked. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B. Could you lend me your notes for a while? What's the past tense of strew? Answer A. Strewed. Choose the past form of shoe. Answer D. Shod. Just 4 more to finish. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Analytical. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Agreement. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Weaken. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Respond. Congratulations! Amazing work! How did you score? Comment below and subscribe.